I think it's milkweed. That's milkweed.
They probably got the milk.
Yeah, you take one of them off there, you'll be some
Milk in
white
there.
creamy stuff inside
Yeah.
there. See how tall the corn is out there, husband?
Oh, wow. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, apple tree.
Yeah, it's got a lot of apples on it too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, it does. Pretty good sized apples too.
Oh yeah.
Lovely, it's beautiful here today.
Very beautiful.
So Calvin and I just got through having this little picnic. We're out here in our bare feet,
Getting it in.
getting it in, walking around, enjoying a little bit of this beautiful day here in Nebraska. Look how beautiful it is here today. It's a little windy, but it's awesome day.
Perfect. Yes,
It's like perfect, really, isn't it? This is some kind of apple tree too, but it's not doing anything.
Cherry. This is a wild cherry.
Oh, it's cherries. Okay.
See the wild cherry right there?
Yes. Yes, I see them. There's some little ones trying to come up. See them?
Yep, that's the way they do.
So when this goes, there'll
Yeah.
be some new ones. Look at that big tree. A pretty good sized tree.
He's watching himself right there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Clean up.
See, I couldn't do it. My hands on this live tree right here. My hands on this live tree right here.
Yes, indeed. Wild tree, baby. Wow. Amazing the things trees does. Look at that. Right here. I ain't seen one of them in a long time.
Oh, is that a locust shell?
Yeah.
That's just the shell of him, isn't it? Or is that him?
Nah, that's the locust. That's the shell of it.
You guys?
Nah.
There's Gracie Grayson. Sitting out there looking all lovely, lovely. Giving her a little break today as she rides on to Cali.
Yeah, Cali cow, baby.
Yeah, it's real pretty here. I'm glad we stopped and had us a little picnic today. That was awesome. Just having us a little break. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Get outside, get your shoes off. Hug a tree.
Please, other tree.
Get your vibrations high today. Breathe in that good ass prana, baby. Right?
And you know it. Yes.
Breathe in that oxygen that the Lord gave us.
Mother Earth. Release.
We're getting it from these trees that you're hugging right now. That's where we're getting that oxygen from.
Best believe it.
That's right. We're getting it from these trees right here, baby. Well, everybody enjoy the rest of their day and the weekend, and we love you. And we're here for you, Granny's Ancient Cell Food. Alkaline Herbalists, Calvin and Angela, we're out. Bye.